Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I just got back from Florida. I'm back in New York City now, and today we're going to be opening all the boxes of stuff that I ordered while I was away, and I'm not even sure what's in all of them. I don't know what's in here. So let's get started. So first up is this box. I do pretty much know what's in this. This is from Kat Von D. So Kat Von D had a 20% off sale while I was down in Florida, and I was not one to let that go by. Like, this is what the box looks like on the inside. I didn't go ham or anything. I tried to restrain myself, but I did definitely pick up some stuff that I was just really excited to get. And basically, because it was 20% off, this was stuff I was already going to buy anyway, so then I had a little extra money to buy something fun. So let's take a look. So first up, I picked up a Lock-It blotting powder refill in the shade Light. So I already have the compact, and I've pretty much used up the majority of it at this point, so I wanted to order a new one. But it's a lot cheaper to just order the refill, and you just pop it right into the compact itself. This one looks like it got a little scuffed up in transit. It almost looks like somebody used it, but I can see that that's not true. It's really just because there's embossing up here that's rubbed against it, which is fine. I'm just going to blend it out anyway, but that's a little disappointing. But I do love this stuff. It's a really great blotting powder. It makes me look so nice. I get all airbrush looking once I put it on, so I'm excited to have this. And next up are these guys. These are two of the Everlasting liquid lipsticks in the shades Plan 9 and Blue Blooded. So if you take a look at the top of the box, that's the shade you're going to get here. I am so excited about these. Basically months and months and months ago, Kat Von D sent out pictures of all the colors that are going to be coming out over the course of like the following year. And it's just taken a really long time, and I've been waiting for them. But these are the shades that I just got, and they're so pretty. I probably didn't need Blue Blooded. I'm going to do a video separately to compare it to some of the other darker blue lipsticks of hers. So I'm hoping that it really is different enough that I'm not going to be able to tell the difference. I don't want to have 3 blue lipsticks that are exactly the same. I want multiple kinds of blue lipsticks, but it did look pretty different, at least in the pictures, so I have high hopes for it, but I'm going to do a full review on this another day. I'm also super psyched about Plan 9 being in the Everlasting liquid lipstick color because I love the Steady Kiss lipstick, but I'm not a huge fan right now of the new formula. I'm getting used to it. I'm just not sure how I feel yet, but these two I'm super psyched to have. And last I picked up this. This is the Kat Von D Handheld Mirror. So it's made of plastic. It's got a star pattern on it. So if you have some of her other compact stuff, sometimes that will have that on there plus the name. I just really wanted this mirror, and because I had an extra like 20 bucks to spend, because I'd already budgeted for the 2 lipsticks and for the blotting powder refill, because I still had extra money to spend because it was a sale. I was going to buy those things anyway. I was able to pick this guy up as well. It's pretty cute, I have to say. I would say it's not quite as substantial as I was expecting. This down here is definitely hollow. It is made of plastic, but you know, I will say that it does look pretty good. And since I didn't spend extra money out of my budget on this, I'm not mad about it. So I am pretty into it. I do think it's pretty cool. And I've always wanted a handheld mirror like this, and I love this sort of faux wax seal thing that she's got going on. This aesthetic I think is just really cool. So that's the last thing I picked up from there. And now on to the next box. Next up we have this Sephora box. I really don't know what's in here. So according to the packing slip, I ordered this on 2/11. No, I ordered this on 2/10. It was shipped on 2/11. Oh, I don't remember any of these things. Let's take a look. So I got another sample of the Bite Beauty multi-stick. I did not care for this. I'm gonna pass this along automatically, like that's not staying in the house, but I think because I already got a sample of that otherwise, which is fine. I also got a sample of the Josie Marin Argan Oil Foundation Fluid. Comes in 14 shades. I don't really know anything about this. It came with 6 different shades for me to try. So in a subsequent video, I will try this guy out, I guess. Although there's not a ton of shades. At least they're not all like super pale anyway. There might not be a lot of shades, but at least they seem to be fairly inclusive. So I will try this one out. Why not? And then I got the Clinique Makeup Artist Best Friend. What is this? Oh, Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So that's a cleansing balm sample. I will definitely try that. I do like a good cleansing balm. I've been trying a couple lately. Also, I got a mini size of the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Mirage. That is the gold shade. I already have the Aurora shade, and I super want Lunar. I just haven't pulled the trigger on that one, but look at it. It's so pretty. So I was really excited to get the other sample. I'm going to probably buy the blue one as well. I just can't help myself. I really like these glitter drops. So I am pretty sure part of the reason I ordered anything is because if you spent $25, you got this mini size. Which explains why I bought the next 2 things. I picked up another Vice Special Effects. This is in the color Bruja. It's sort of like a purple glitter. I'm not sure why I picked it. I think probably it was on sale. It was one of the shades that was on sale. So I will definitely try this guy out. I just don't remember picking it, but I clearly did because it's here. And I mean, I believe myself that I ordered it. And I picked up this guy. This is from Nails Inc. London. This is the Sparkle Like a Unicorn Beauty gift set. This comes with an illuminating sheet mask, where I guess I'm gonna have a unicorn horn on my head, the Lip Trippin' lipstick, which is called Unicorn Tribe, and then 2 tiny nail polishes. So I'm gonna open this up and take a look. So this is what the sheet mask is gonna look like. That's pretty adorable. So we'll definitely try that out in the next couple of days. Ooh. This is unicorn.com and this is Unicorn Vibes. These nail polishes are different from the Sparkle Like a Unicorn, or it's something along those lines. The Unicorn nail polish duo, these are not the same shades that are in that duo. So these are very glittery looking, but they're very pretty. I do really like this nail polish. I have, I think, 4 of them all together. I think they're really nice nail polishes. They last pretty long on my nails. I actually need to take the polish that's off right now. It's a different brand. And maybe I'll try one of these out tonight so you can see what those look like in a subsequent video. So I'm excited that they weren't the same. It was kind of hard to tell in the picture. They didn't have the same names, but you know, it's hard to tell. So I will try these out and let you know how they go. And last we have this Lip Trippin' Iridescent Lip Strobe. It's this really cool purple color. So, I mean, I'm into it. I have no idea what it's going to look like on my face. But I will definitely be trying this out subsequently as well. So, you know what? I'm definitely into it. I don't remember ordering this, but I'm not mad that I did. You know, these are good choices. I can't really be mad about it. Anyway, so I just got back and I have unpacked everything, but I'm a little behind on my filming schedule. So unfortunately, I couldn't do like a first impression on all of these guys today. I will be catching up on that in a couple of days, so you will see it. But, you know, I'm just excited to be home and actually open up my boxes and see what sort of mysterious treasure awaits for me. And also I have to do a declutter because the makeup I brought home doesn't fit where I was going to put it back, so I'm going to declutter again, which is probably a good thing anyway, so no big deal. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. If you got a suggestion for a video you'd like to see me do, please put that in the comments down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!